We've now done several examples involving basic counting principle, permutations, combinations, but in real life, things just get thrown at us, and we have to decide which thing applies in each case. So this video is really just a little mini quiz to see if you're understanding what we've learned so far. So go ahead and hit the pause button, read through the problems, and try to answer them. When you're done, go ahead and rejoin the video and we'll go through the solutions together. Okay, so let's see how you did. The first one is just the question. Is this a permutation or combination? So we want to remind ourselves that permutations and combinations both require that there are no repeats. There's no replacement of anything. If there's replacement, we're not dealing with permutations or combinations. So that said, that's what they have in common. What is different? What's different is that a permutation order matters. We are assigning roles, or we're assigning an order in a lineup or a schedule or an award, something like that. A combination, we're just grouping them together and we don't care about the order. So given that additional background, the first one, how many ways can you select three free games from a list of 25, would definitely be a combination. And the race that has first, second, and third is going to be a permutation. Now I've already given you the answers here for the next ones, and that should be a 3 and not a 4. So excuse my typo. Number 2, it says you volunteer to pet sit for a friend with 5 different animals. How many different pet combinations are possible if you take 2 of the 5? Well, it doesn't matter if we take the cat and the lizard or the lizard and the cat, it's the same 2 animals. So this one really is a combination. So we're going to get a relatively small number. You should end up with the combination of 5 things taken 2 at a time and a final answer of 10. And for number 3, not number 4 there, a zoo has 5 male chimps and 8 female chimps. And how many ways can 2 male chimps and 3 female chimps be selected for an animal exchange with another zoo? Okay, it's still a combination, right? It's still a combination because we don't care if we take Jack and George or George and Jack is the male chimps. Those are the 2 that are leaving. So the order isn't important. But what makes this problem a little bit more complicated is we have to choose the males and we have to choose the females. So for this one, you would be taking the combination of 5 things taken 2 at a time to choose the males, and the combination of 8 things taken 3 at a time to choose the females, multiplying those answers, and you should come up with a final answer of 560. If you have any questions, just let me know.